So the greatest benefit of joining the partnership is that your membership dues are paid back to you in marketing value. The minute you put anything out on the partnership's social network channels, you raise your company in the Google search ranks, and it's just phenomenal, the payback that this membership provides in marketing dollars. The most valuable aspect of being a member of the partnership is really the exposure that you get. I see the regular faces, the usual suspects at all the events, and we have built great friendships. But there's always the new person that shows up, and they always say, "Hey, I think I've heard of you before. I've seen you on the Vail Valley Partnership group of LinkedIn advertising that class about blogging, or I've seen your name in the e-blast that's gone out." So it's just a great way to start the conversation. Invest in your community. Join the Vail Valley Partnership.